Well, good news guys, the washing man's been and the wash is now fixed, and I was really shocked. I really thought it wasn't going to get fixed, and it wasn't the motor, it was the connector. What's on the motor, the actual connector, what connects to it, it had come off. So that's all it was. It wasn't the motor, it was the connector. Thinking about yeah, the connector to the motor had just come off. So I think put it on a delicate 30. We'll try that, and hopefully it might come up with a big high water level. Do it on, yeah, here we go. Right, so that has really amazed me, that has, because I really thought the owners next week were going to have to go out and get a new washer. But proved me wrong, it's been fixed. A delicate wash for about an hour and 5 minutes. Oh, silly buffoon, hasn't even noticed. Hold on. Oh, I can't even stop it. Never mind. Excuse me. Sorry if you heard that, guys. I just burped for a second. At first, when the guy came from Candy to Hoover, he thought at first it was the bushes, but when he took the top lid off, it turns out it wasn't the bushes. The connector on the motor had just come off. I was hoping when I put it on this delicate wash, it would fill up with a big high water level from the bottom of the door. I haven't noticed, Joe, when I put it on this program, it's only going to do a 400 spin. So when it finishes, I might want to re-spin it. Yeah, something like that. I thought at first it said 1400, but when I've been close up, it's 400. Father thinks I need an eye test, because when I'm far back, everything's blurred. Thinks I might need glasses. I'm not really fancy wearing glasses.
Not for the guys.
Right, I'll come back on it in a bit, guys, and hopefully it should have filled up with more water.